Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page so you can easily share, post, and manage everything in one place. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Then here tap your profile icon at the bottom right and then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and go to the settings and privacy. And here scroll down to the business tools and controls section and tap account center. Here, tap add accounts and sign in to your Facebook account. Once connected, tap Accounts and Profile and select your Facebook account. Now you're under the Connected Experience. Choose Sharing Across Profiles. Select your Facebook page and toggle on the options that you want, like automatically share post or stories your profile in Facebook page. And that's it. The Instagram is now connected to your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.